The Python programming language has multiple data types and data structures that you can use to store and manipulate data efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the Python data type, bool. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to take a look at one of the smallest but most powerful data types in Python, the Boolean, or bool for short. It may only have two values, but it plays a massive role in decision-making, logic, and control flow in Python. Let's jump in and see how it works. In Python, the bool type represents one of two values, true or false. That's it, just two values, but these are the foundation of logic in programming. The term Boolean comes from George Boole, a 19th century mathematician who developed a system of logic based on two values, true and false. Today, every programming language uses some form of Boolean logic. In Python, bool is actually a subclass of int, which means true is treated as 1 and false as 0 under the hood. Booleans are used everywhere in Python programming, especially in conditional statements like if, else, and while, comparisons when using operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, or less than, and logical operations like and, or not, and even controlling flow of programs and functions. Basically, anytime your program needs to make a decision, that's where bool comes in. Here are a few key facts to keep in mind. The Python language recognizes the reserved words true and false, both capitalized, as Boolean values. All Python objects can be evaluated as true or false in a Boolean context. The following Python objects are considered false in Python: none, false, 0, an empty string, and empty containers. Anything else is considered true. Let's take a look at some examples. Bool variables are custom-made for doing comparisons in your code. In this example, the comparisons between x and y return values of the bool data type. Bool's use in comparison make them natural for use in conditional statements. Here, the statement is printed because it is true that x is greater than y. With Boolean logic, we can make more complex comparisons using operators like and, or, and not. Here, the output is the Boolean value true because it is true that isDay is true, and while isRaining is false, the not operation converts it to true. So, both conditions that are connected with and are true. The bool function can be used to check the Boolean context of various values. Note that some evaluate to true, while others are naturally false. Remember that the bool value true is actually stored as the int 1, while false is stored as int 0. So they can be used in math calculations. Here are some examples. You can see how Python uses Boolean values behind the scenes in all kinds of operations. So that's the Python bool type in a nutshell. Simple, yes, but absolutely essential. Whether you're writing if statements, loops, or complex logic, Booleans are the building blocks that make your code smart. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe for more Python tips, and drop a comment with your favorite use of Booleans. See you in the next one, and happy coding.